my chest. Another town, another test. The sheriff's gone, the preacher's blind. No law left but the one I find. And still stained from a deal gone bad. Every scar's a lesson my father had. They say God forgives, maybe he does, but he don't ride where the devil does. The night hums low, the world turns mean. I live my life somewhere between blood and bourbon, fire and rain. Every drop burns away my pain. Raise the glass to what I've done. Every sin's a bullet, every man's my blood and bourbon. I taste my past. Nothing built for me was meant to last. The road is long, the coast is clear. The dead don't talk, but I still hear. A church bell rings, the echo dies. The truth gets lost when a good man lies. I buried my name in a field of rust. Faith don't feed you, it just collects dust. The smoke curls up, the barrel spins. Love runs dry, but the hunger wins. A crimson sky over whiskey ground. You either shoot first or don't make a sound. The coin flips once, heads or pain. Either way it ends the same. Blood and bourbon, fire and rain. Every drop burns away my pain. Raise the glass to what I've done. Every sin's a bullet, every man's my blood and bourbon. I taste my past. Nothing built for me was meant to last. The road is long, the coast is clear. The dead don't talk, but I still hear. The night don't fear the man I've become. My story's written in smoke and drum. The moon looks down and I tip my hat. Ain't no peace in a life like that. Blood and murder, burning slow.